my strength and shield, the one who trains my hands for war. You are my rock, my fortress strong, my deliverer forevermore. When cords of death surrounded me, when torrents of destruction rose, I called upon the name of the Lord, and He answered from His throne. The Lord is my light and my salvation. Whom shall I fear? The giant falls today, not by sword or spear. The battle belongs to the Lord, and He stands here